Hello everyone. Today I want to share something very close to my heart, my journey of learning English. A journey that started with fear, mistakes, and confusion and slowly turned into confidence, joy, and success. Let's go back a few years. I was just like many of you. I didn't speak English well. In fact, I was afraid of it. Whenever someone asked me something in English, I would freeze. My mind went blank. I knew the words in my head, but they never came out. In school, I would avoid answering questions in English. I thought, what if I say something wrong? What if they laugh at me? And they did laugh. Yes, I made mistakes. I once said I go to home instead of I am going to home. And everyone laughed. That day I felt like giving up. But something inside me whispered, if others can do it, why can't it? That small voice became the start of something big. I realized English is not just a subject, it's a skill, like swimming or riding a bicycle, and no one become perfect one day. So I started small. I began by reading on English paragraph every day. I wrote 5 new words in a notebook and used them in sentences. I listened to songs and tried to understand the lyrics. I watched cartoons and movies in English with subtitles. At first, I didn't understand everything, but that's okay because I was training my ears, not chasing perfection. The biggest fear was speaking, so I started with my mirror. Yes, my first English conversation was with my reflection. Hello, how are you? I am fine, thank you. What did you do today? I know it sounds funny, but it worked. Slowly became competent, forming sentences. Then I practiced with friends who were also learning. We created a rule: no judging, only learning. One sentence became two, two sentences became five, and soon I was having full conversation in broken but beautiful English. I changed my phone's language to English. I started journaling in English, writing my thoughts like today was a good day. I studied hard. I listened to motivational videos and repeated the lines out loud. The more I practiced, the more natural it became. It was no longer just learning English, it was living English. But there were still hard days. There were days I made mistakes, days I couldn't find the right word, days I felt like quitting. But then I remembered this one line I once heard: a river cuts through rock not because of its power but because of its persistence. And that became my secret weapon: consistency. I made a rule: do something in English every single day. Even if it was just reading a quote, writing 2 lines, or watching a 2 minute video. I never let a day go by without touching English. And slowly English stopped feeling like a stranger. It became a friend, a tool, a voice for my dreams. Today I still make mistakes, but now I smile when I do because every mistake is a sign that I am trying, that I am growing. And today I can stand here and say proudly, I learn English not in a classroom alone but in my heart, through passion and patience and practice. So, my message to join you is simple: don't be afraid, don't chase perfection, practice every day, talk to yourself, your friends, your dog, just talk. Read, write, listen, speak, make English your habit. Because if a shy, scared student like me can learn it, so can you. Your English journey doesn't need to be perfect, it just needs to be yours. Thank you for listening. If you like this my journey, do like and subscribe. We will meet in next video.